Good morning. Today's Tuesday, April 25th. What you're going to need today is probably a pencil, something to write with. You might need some markers or matte pencils if you've got those, or crayons. And you're going to get a sheet of white paper today. So here's your assignment for today. What you're going to do is you're going to design your own long-term manned spacecraft or space station or some kind of equipment, technology that we could use long-term in space. What I want you to think about is the things that you have to overcome to live and work in space for a long period of time. What are you going to need? What resources are you going to need? How are you going to get them? Be creative with that, though. So on the front of your paper, you're going to design your spacecraft or vehicle, however it's going to work, wherever it's going to be. Could be on a planet, could be on a moon, could be orbiting something. Be creative with that, depending on what your goals are for your equipment, your technology. Put it different places in space. On the back, I would like for you to tell me how it works. How do you get energy? How do you get oxygen? How do you get your food sources? How do you get from Earth to your piece of technology that you designed? So kind of explain it to me. You can use color if you would like. You can do it in pencil. I would recommend doing it in pencil because pencil erases, and then adding color later if you've got time. So again, make sure that you give a good design. Don't just copy what we've got already. Use your book if you need to. There's some really cool diagrams and pictures in your book to get you started. But think about what you would design and what you would use for technology in space. Again, this is going to be manned, so it's going to have a crew there. How could you keep a crew alive in space for a long period of time? How could you get them resources? And how could you do that for the long-term period? So again, your design is going to be on the front of your paper. Your explanation of how it's going to work, where you're going to get your energy, resources, power, oxygen, food, all that is going to be on the back. It doesn't need to be a long explanation. You can do it kind of in bullet points if you want to, so long as it's on there. Make sure your name is at the top. This is going to be due tomorrow at the beginning of class. Good luck, guys. Have fun with this one.